people, how are you today? This is Denise from Skin Ego. I've never done an unboxing. If you know me, this isn't my thing, but you know, if people love it, they love it. And actually, I'm super excited. So this is the new EVO microneedling pen. Now, I was so excited that I have already taken it out of the brown box because I couldn't wait, and then I thought, oh shit, stop. So that's why it's in this box. So if you were getting microneedling done with me, you got a message saying that I had sent my pen back in because a new model had come out and I had bought mine close enough that they were willing to exchange it for the new one. So super excited. Let's see. Oh, for heaven's sake. Okay, so I got a poster. It's more than I got in the last one. Stickers, got that last time. Brochures, got that last time. Thought it was a box. It's information. This is the thing. It's about the same size. Oh, but it looks totally different. So, okay, so battery goes here, and the cartridge is gonna slide in there somehow. Let's see. So the reason I'm super excited about this pen is because though I loved how the other one functioned, the ergonomics of it wasn't super awesome. Yeah, okay, battery there. So the pen before just was a straight pen. So when the cartridges are, the needle is coming up and down, you've got to hold it like at a 90 degree to the skin, right? So that sort of just got a bit awkward. Whereas this one, so the cartridges are going to come this way. So at a 90 degree, for the cartridges, my hand isn't at a full 90 degree. So yes, super excited. So where's the cartridges, these guys? There's a lot more packaging, because before the cartridges, look, each one is in its own box. They came like, yeah, here's the cartridge. So it was just these like in the box. So even though this is super fancy, it's not being very mindful of the environment. I mean, I will recycle it, but anyway, so it's pretty, I guess we can say that much. I'm not gonna open it because they're sterile in there. So yeah, so it would go like that. Give you a close look. Ooh, and I like that the button is flat. Oh, excuse me while I kick things that I moved stuff out of the way so I could use the table. But the button is flat. On the other one, it was like a little bit raised, and while you were working, you'd hit it and it would just stop. Oh crap, it hit it again. So this feels a lot firmer. So I'm pretty sure I am gonna be loving it while I'm working with it. So far I'm happy with what I see, but I have to only get one battery. But I have to try it, so that's the next exciting thing. Okay, so yeah, there's another battery. This is my charger. That's like looks like a cell phone charger. Plug in and it just sits in there. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, so I got two batteries. I'm gonna charge these puppies up, and then I try everything, I do everything that I offer on myself first. So that's gonna be my first hit, and then yeah, then I think I'm gonna make my husband my next victim. So I will film that and keep you posted. thank you for joining me. This was a bit weird. Was it good for you though? It was weird for me, but it's not that bad. It's kind of fun. So yeah, that's my new microneedling, my new micropen, the EVO. And if you don't know what microneedling is, oh my goodness, it is an amazing way to get your skin to start regenerating from the inside out, and no fake stuff. So thanks for joining me. I guess I'll see you on my next video. Please check out Skin Ego Services, skinego.ca, Skin Ego Services on Facebook, Skin Ego Services on Instagram, SKINEGO, like ego, like it's okay to have a little bit of an ego, just not too big of one, okay? Thanks again, hit like, subscribe, all that stuff and such. Have a good one.